Welcome back to Future Fuel, where we explore the future of mobility, innovation, and design. Today, we're diving into a name that evokes timeless elegance and groundbreaking engineering, the Citroen DS. But this isn't just a trip down memory lane. We're talking about the 2025 Citroen DS21, a modern interpretation of a classic that redefines luxury and innovation for the electric age. A legendary name, reimagined. The original Citroen DS21, introduced in the 1950s, was a game-changer. With its avant-garde design, hydropneumatic suspension and futuristic appeal, it became a symbol of progress. Fast forward to 2025, Citroen has brought the DS21 nameplate back to life, blending the spirit of the original with cutting-edge technology and sustainability. This reborn DS21 is a statement, a blend of retro charm and futuristic ingenuity. It captures the essence of its predecessor while catering to the modern demands of electrification, connectivity, and sustainability. Design that turns heads. The design of the 2025 Citroen DS21 is a breathtaking homage to its ancestor. The sleek, flowing lines of the body retain the aerodynamic elegance that made the original so iconic. The signature floating roof, thin LED lighting, and sculpted rear fins are all nods to the past, yet they feel perfectly at home in this futuristic rendition. Citroen has utilized advanced materials like aluminum and carbon fiber to keep the weight down while improving efficiency. The aerodynamic enhancements ensure optimal range and performance, making it as much about function as it is about form. Electric powertrain excellence. Under the hood, where the engine used to be, we find a state-of-the-art electric powertrain. The 2025 DS21 features a dual-motor setup that delivers around 400 horsepower, providing a smooth and whisper-quiet driving experience. Its all-wheel drive capability ensures stability and grip, whether you're cruising through the city or tackling winding roads. The battery pack offers an impressive range of up to 450 miles on a single charge, thanks to advancements in energy density and regenerative braking. With ultra-fast charging, you can go from 10% to 80% in under 20 minutes, ensuring the DS21 is as practical as it is luxurious. A sanctuary inside. Step inside the 2025 DS21, and you're immediately enveloped in luxury. The cabin is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, blending premium materials like sustainable leather, recycled wood, and ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. The layout is minimalist, focusing on comfort and intuitive design. The centerpiece is the massive OLED touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to climate settings. Citroen's advanced AI assistant is always at your service, learning your preferences and enhancing your driving experience. Additionally, the augmented reality heads-up display ensures you stay connected and informed without taking your eyes off the road. Cutting-edge technology. The DS21 isn't just about comfort, it's also packed with the latest technology. Citroen has equipped it with Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, allowing you to relax during long commutes or highway journeys. Sensors and cameras ensure the system operates seamlessly, prioritizing safety and convenience. Connectivity is another highlight. The DS21 supports over-the-air updates, keeping your software up to date with the latest features and improvements. The vehicle also integrates seamlessly with your digital life, offering compatibility with smart home devices and advanced app controls. Sustainability at its core. Citroen has made sustainability a priority with the 2025 DS21. The production process emphasizes renewable energy and eco-friendly materials. Even the battery pack is designed with recyclability in mind, ensuring minimal environmental impact. This focus on sustainability makes the DS21 not just a car, but a statement about what luxury should look like in the 21st century, a perfect balance of indulgence and responsibility. A new era for Citroën. The 2025 Citroen DS21 is more than a car. It's a vision of what the future holds for automotive design and innovation. It pays tribute to its legendary heritage while embracing the possibilities of tomorrow. Whether you're a fan of the original DS or simply someone who values cutting-edge technology and timeless design, the 2025 DS21 is bound to leave an impression. If you're as excited about the future of cars as we are, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with Future Fuel. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Citroen DS21. Is this the perfect blend of past and future? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Future Fuel.